Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, it's down there somewhere. That way you get notified of future videos. Today we're going to have a look at a new decal sheet from Luftfahrtverlag-Start in Germany. This one is 1/72 decals for Type 9C U-boats. Okay, so let's have a look, see what we get inside the bag. Basically already I've just taken the liberty of taking the things out of the bag, that's easy enough. And what I see we get is there's some little resin parts there, and we also have the decal sheet and the instructions. So these are for the Revell Type 9C 1/72, and you get two decal options with the kit, but there's a whole heap more here. And obviously they're professionally researched by probably some people who know more about U-boats than anybody else. There's a whole bunch there. I'll just go through them quickly. There's images of all this on the website, the link's underneath the video. U66. The text is in German for the most part. You can pretty much work it out though. The blue stuff, also the blue text is in English and German. So I've got U66, two different versions for her, U67, 68, 126, 128, 129, 130, 153, 155, and you see on here there's a little resin axe in there, and that's the resin axe. There's a motto over that ship, and there's also another bit of resin somewhere, I don't quite see it yet. And then, if that wasn't enough, over the page, a couple of adverts for the suppliers of the Grey Wolves, is what that translates as. Basically it's all about the Type 14, basically tanker U-boats. Interestingly, nobody's made a kit of those yet. I've not found one anywhere. It'd be really interesting if somebody was to make one of those, please. And an advert for the U-Boat in Focus series of magazines, which we have a look at here as well quite often. And then we've got U156, 502, 503, 504, 507 and 509. I believe these are all the early Type 9Cs, as I believe that's actually what the Revell kit is. Oh, and here's one of the other pieces of resin is. It's a part of U504's emblem. So what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 different should say sets of emblems, and impeccably researched, lots of nice images there. Let's have a look at the decal sheet itself. And they're laid out quite nicely. Backing film is minimal, and as you'd expect they look quite nice. I think Luftfahrtverlag, they get their decals done by Cartograph in Italy, so they'll be pretty nice. I'll put an image of this on the website as well, but everything you need is there. So basically it's an easy way to make your, if you get a 1/72 Mark 9C or Type 9C, it's an easy way to make it different to everybody else's. So many thanks to Luftfahrtverlag-Start for sending it along for us to have a look at. I'll put a link underneath the video to take to the website, and also a link underneath the video directly to the page where you can purchase these direct from the publishers. And they only do their decals in runs of 500, and once they're done, they're done. I don't think they've ever done a reprint of a decals So if one of these interests you, then you best get it while they still have them in stock.